Hello, hello, hello. We want to invite you to join our Learn How to Braid workshop with Amanda and UNIQUIA Manigault. Amanda Manigault started braiding hair on her front porch in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania at the very young age of 11 years old. She taught her daughter UNIQUIA how to braid when she was 9 years old, and they've both been braiding hair ever since. Today, they offer a braid workshop to adults ages 16 and up, and they have a special braid workshop for kids ages 10 through 15. This workshop is designed to teach you from the basic fundamentals of hair braiding to advanced hair braiding. We take you at the level you're at. We teach box braids, basic cornrolling, individuals with extensions, designs, feed-in braids, Amanda's loop startup, the no-knot technique, Senegalese twists, two-strand twists, and for adults we teach the interlock braids and sew-and weaves. Learning how to braid is a great investment with an even greater return. You can learn how to braid to create an income, increase your current business revenue, supplement your current income, or open a braid business. It's never too early or never too late to learn how to braid. Braids will never go out of style. Most women want their hair braided when they go on vacation. Women wear braids underneath their weaves. Hair braiding is normally the foundation for most styles. Women normally have braids underneath their wigs, and most kids have their hair braided. In fact, when school starts, braids is the biggest style that kids wear to go back to school. Investing in your kids or yourself or any other adult will save and make you lots of money. In fact, you will probably triple your investment within 60 days from completing the Learn How to Braid workshop. This workshop is offered to all socioeconomic and ethnic backgrounds. It's offered in different areas. If you want to book Amanda and UNIQUIA to come to your city or state, contact them today. For more information, visit www.amandasbeautyschools.com or copy the link below and visit the page to register for the workshop. You can also call 803-832-1602. Amanda Manigault is a cosmetologist, cosmetology instructor, beauty school evaluator, salon coach, and consultant. She travels the world teaching others about the art and science of cosmetology. She offers workshops, seminars, continuing education, and licensing. She has special classes designed for cosmetology instructors, salon owners, and beauty school students. Connect with Amanda today and learn more.